guys, today I'll be making Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. I found this great simple recipe. It's by Eats by Rachel. I have all the ingredients in front of me right now, so let's get started. Final stage, I'm gonna put the cream on the bottom and then add on the wafers on the top and then bananas next and then create some layers and then repeat the steps. And then repeat the same steps. Finished this container and I do have a bit of leftover, a very little cream left, but I'm gonna try using a smaller container to fill it up. Hi guys, today I'll be making a different version of Magnolia's banana pudding. Today I'll be using Calorie Restaurant's video. This is another different recipe from the other one that I have tried last time, and this also looks like a great recipe according to people who have already tried making it, and apparently it is very similar to the original Magnolia's banana pudding. I'm gonna try and see and compare actually the difference between this recipe and the other one that I tried last time.